Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We apply about the product rule of derivative. So for example, we have y equals to ab. If we do first derivative of y, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b. Later that we do first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of this one multiplied by this one. Later that we do first derivative of this one multiplied by this one. Next, we applied about the power rule of derivative. So in this situation, we have y equals to s to the power of n. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. Now we can apply this one for this one in here and here. So we will have 5 multiplied by 3s minus 2 to the power of 5 minus 1. Later that we continue do first derivative of 3s minus 1. Similar for this one in here. So 5 minus 1 we have number 4. Similar for this one. Next, first derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have number 3. This is about the constant, so you got about 0. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This is about the constant, so you got about 0. Now, we need to simplify. Number 3 and number 5, we have 15. Number 2, and number 6, we have 24. We have 24s, we put in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.